how to make my lemon posset tart, an easy and delicious fruity recipe that you're all going to love. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today I'm making a delicious summery spring pudding of a lemon posset tart. So it's sort of combining, I guess, the idea of a cheesecake with a lemon posset, which you'll always get like on an afternoon tea, or a delicate little shot glass maybe of lemon posset with a raspberry on top. But this is a full-blown tart version. When it comes to the biscuit base, it's the exact same as a cheesecake this time, where I'm using blitzed up digestive biscuits with a melted butter. You can of course make a pastry base if you prefer, so I'll leave the link to a recipe in the description box which has a pastry base, but this time I'm making it biscuit to make it completely no bake. And then once you have your biscuit base, you press it into the base and sides of a loose bottom 9-inch tart tin like this, and it's super easy. You then make your filling, you set it in the fridge just like a cheesecake again, and then decorate. But either way, let's get on with the biscuit base. So once you've pressed down your biscuit base into the sides and base of the tart tin, you can make the filling. And it sounds really weird, but it's only 3 ingredients of cream, sugar, and lemons. I count that as 3, even though it's zest and juice because you're using the same lemons. But either way, 3 or 4 ingredients, and it's so simple, where you add your cream and your sugar to a pan, melt them together on a low heat so the sugar is dissolved, turn it up to a boil and boil for 1 minute, and then you stir in your lemon juice and zest and pour it onto your tart case to set. So easy, so simple, let's do it. Now your posset mixture has made, make sure, like I did, to once it's boiling, turn off the heat and pour in your lemon juice and zest and stir until combined. Then obviously pour into your tart case and set in the fridge for a few hours until lovely and solid. And then you can remove it from the tin and decorate. So whilst your lemon posset tart is setting in the fridge, it's really important to remember that you have to be so patient for it to set, because where it's a posset mixture, it relies on the boiling process and the citric nature of the lemon to basically create sort of a jelly-like substance really, which is what a posset is. Of course, if you want to try a different flavour, you could try limes or orange. They all work really similar, and I've also done it before where I'll swirl through some raspberry coulis, which is really tasty. But there's so many ideas. Obviously, if you have any questions about the posset mixture, leave them in the comments below, but I'm going to go prepare my decoration and wait for it to set. Now that my lemon posset has set, it's nice and firm and you can sort of see the jelly-like texture on top. Don't worry if you don't like jelly, it won't put you off. This is so good. But I have my sweetened whipped cream ready to pipe. It's just double cream and icing sugar with whipped to soft peaks. Wow. Anyway, whipped to soft peaks. I have some freeze-dried raspberries and a spare digestive biscuit that I'm just gonna crush into a little crumb as a decoration. And trust me, it's so simple, but the perfect showstopper for a lemony treat. And that is how you make my easy lemon posset tart. A delicious no-bake dessert that's perfect for so many occasions, but honestly, it's so simple and I love it. So make sure to check out the full recipe in the description box below. I'll obviously put any details in there, answer comments, whatever you need. And make sure to come back next week again for something absolutely delicious.